Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a blessed day today. I thought that we would do something different today, a bright, fun, colorful look versus the holiday-esque kind of looks we've been doing, the dark, the sultry, glam, all that fun stuff. So we're using the new palette that I recently got from LaColors in Sweet 16 color eyeshadow palette in Playful. So to get started, we always prime our eyelids, and look how beautiful that palette is. There is 4 of these to choose from on the website. Like I said, it is called Playful. You get like 4 highlights plus all these beautiful colorful shadows, and you can create beautiful looks from everyday to colorful, which is always nice. And the first shade we're picking up is that darker teal in the palette, and this is also a teal with a golden shimmer in it. Yes, I put like a shimmer in my crease. Oh no, who's gonna report me to the makeup police? Just kidding. Like I've stated before in makeup tutorials, you don't always have to follow the rules. If you want to wear a shimmery shade in your crease, then go ahead. So we're applying that shade in our crease, a fluffy crease brush, and I showed you my hand placement was in the middle of the brush, so I have more control over where the shadow is being placed. Next up, we're using the Color Tattoo from Maybelline and Edgy Emerald. I'm just applying that to the lid for a little extra secondary base. It's extra for the shadow to stick to. It's really not necessary, but it does give the mint shade that we're getting ready to use, which is matte, something to adhere to and makes it pop a little bit more. We're just using a flat shader brush to do this. It also lessens fallout when you use a brush like this. You press it into the base and it's really going to help with the color staying and also popping. But I have to say that I am a bit disappointed in this palette. I thought the shades would be a little bit darker, richer, pigmented, you know, that kind of thing. And as far as this application goes, I was not that impressed, but I will say I do like the palette overall, and the fact that you get all these different colors to play with, neutral, everyday, kind of moving into colorful and glam. I do like that. But we're just going to keep working with this palette, to be honest. That's all you can do, is just keep working with it and see where you can go with it. So we're taking this nice nude matte shade in the palette, a large shader brush, apply the shade, and then we're going to blend down the edges, bringing it down into the crease like a magic eraser to really blend down those edges. We're using the Jordana 12-hour eyeliner pencil just to tightline with the upper rim, and then we're using this LaColors nice teal eyeliner I got from their eyeliner collection in this holiday season here. $5 for 9 eyeliners. Now I'm also going back in with a minty shade and I'm applying that over top of that to set it. If you're new to putting eyeshadows in your waterline, it's going to burn a little bit. You might feel a little discomfort, but it will go away. Make sure the shadow you're using is also safe for eyes. We're also going to take this purple and drag it on our lower lash line as well. Very light shade, and I thought it would be more pigmented once again. So some of these shades I am a little bit disappointed in. But, like I said, we're still going to march on and continue to play with it. But this is the LaColors Enlightened Highlighter Trio. And I'm using the Duochrome Green. And I'm putting that in the inner corner. It's so pretty as an inner corner highlight. So we're just popping that in there. And regarding the shadow placement in the waterline, we're just going to talk through the mascara here. You can literally make any color eyeliner you want doing this. You can use a white and place any shade of shadow you want on top of that and make your own eyeliners. It's really convenient and saves a lot of money. So it really does work too, and it'll last all day because you set it with a powder. So that is the Cherry Chree liquid lipstick in Nude. They don't have names, just Nude. And you can pair this with any lip you feel comfortable pairing it with. And we set our face with, more than likely, the Hard Candy setting spray. Was off camera, I didn't see either. I can't remember. So that's our finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more tutorials using the LaColors Sweet Playful palette. Thank you always for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Check the description box for additional links and a product list. And thank you always for watching.